Soun of Ogbomoso is the latest on the list of first-class traditional rulers to come identify with the reforms of the Tinubu administration, particularly now that the bold endeavors are turning in results.
And when you made that bold statement at your inauguration, I also was one of the people who are skeptical about it. But today it shows us that leadership requires boldness and taking of the right decisions.
Soun is surely in tune with the strides of the administration, which he enumerated to include stability in foreign exchange, petroleum product prices, and the student loan scheme. The traditional ruler who appreciated the government on the award of contract for the construction of Soun Ogbomoso